you're having a great day. Thank you so much for tuning on to watch this video. So in this video, I'm gonna be reviewing a brand new brand for me. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I have no clue whatsoever if it's any good or not. So first impressions review and tutorial, here it is. Let's do this. I'm reviewing Wet n Wild. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this brand, if you tried anything from them. If yes, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you tried and tested and if it's good. So maybe I should purchase it as well if you could recommend it. I got this in Boots. What caught my eye was this little logo in here that says cruelty free. If you guys don't know, I don't really talk about it much, but I did a few videos talking about it. I'm actually following a plant-based diet, or as the other people would call vegan diet. I'm not entirely cruelty free, and if you're hardcore vegan, you're probably gonna go like boo, but I mean, I'm not here to judge anyone or to be judged by anyone. Just living my life, and I already did 2 videos talking about it, and I'm gonna link them in a corner in here or in a description box below so you guys can check it out, because I don't want to really talk about this in here, but I wish that in this century all the companies would be cruelty free, because technology has progressed so much that we don't need anymore to test on the animals, and there's no really point to do that anymore. If you agree, let me know. So I think without any further ado, let's just do swatches and create a makeup look of this. So I picked up a palette called Rose in the Air. What I like about it, so it's 10 colors in total. It cost under the $5. I don't remember exact price how much it was, but it's super affordable. Let's see, we got loads of mattes, which is perfection, and we got 2 colors that is called transition color. One is cool tone beige, and then another is like a warmer beige, which actually would be perfect colors for contouring and bronzing, because we like products that you can multitask. Let's open this up. I haven't swatched this or anything, so I have no clue. So 10 colors, as I mentioned, 2 transition colors. The other side of the packaging shows you 2 makeup looks, a daytime and a nighttime. Let's just swatch these. So the cooler tone transition color definitely could be a bronzer, especially if you're traveling. You just pack one palette and you have a bronzer, a contour color. This transition color, cool tone, is such a cool contour. Oh my god, you guys, definitely. I wouldn't just use it as a transition color. I think in today's video I might actually use these for my contour and bronzing as well. Let's just watch a few more shadows. I really like this dark pink color. Oh my god, really like this one. And then this is like a burnt orange kind of color. Oh yeah, I'm gonna swatch one of the shimmer ones. We got 2 shimmers. This one lighter one, kind of like a champagne one, and then a darker cool toned one. Let's swatch this one. Oh, it actually swatches more as a bronzy color. And then this like a champagne one. I really like this one. So I think without any further ado, let's create a makeup look. So let's just do that. I think we're gonna start from prepping the eyelids at first. So for that, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Defy Concealer in C1. My favorite one, by the way. I'm obsessed with this one. If you watch my videos, you would know this already. I think I use this a lot. Blending this on my lid. I still got a few of the lash extensions left. I got it before my Venice holiday. If you guys haven't seen my travel vlogs, it's up on my channel. I'm gonna link it in the description box. Okay, so I'm gonna set this quickly with some setting powder. I'm gonna use a NYX HD setting powder. So the reason why I prepped my eyes before is because I have a super oily skin, and that includes my eyelids as well. So that's why I am doing this before. If you don't have oily eyelids, that's absolutely not necessary, and your eyeshadow will be sitting just perfectly, I'm pretty sure. But because my skin is so oily, if I would apply the eyeshadow a few hours later, it would just crease into my crease, plus my eyes are so hooded, it would just crease into the crease, and that wouldn't be a very nice look. Let's go in and start from the transition color. I think I'm gonna go with a little bit cooler tone. So far, brush takes a lot, so a tiny dab picks up a lot of the product. You guys, I'm definitely gonna use this for contouring. This is like a perfect cool shade. Oh my god, especially for my skin color, I think it's gonna suit perfectly. So I'm going higher than my creases. Basically when my eyes are open, and that's the reason I have my eye open when I do this, and I can see this color. So the reason why I don't have any foundation on yet, I don't know if we're gonna have any fallouts or anything, so I thought I'm just gonna play safe, not apply any foundation prior applying any eyeshadow so we can just wipe it off later. I'm gonna take another brush and this darker brown color in here. I'm gonna go closer to where my crease is and then going closer to where my eye would crease. Keeping my eyes open so I see exactly where that line is. I'm not worried much still about the outer corner because we're gonna fix this later, because I'm gonna take a wet wipe and literally just wipe this out, so we're gonna give like a nice lift. Alright, so the crease now looks like a hot mess. That's why we need to clean it up a little bit. So I'm taking the small dense brush, flat brush. So I'm coming back to the same concealer by Makeup Revolution, taking a little bit on the brush, and I'm literally gonna go and clean up and just blending what's left on the brush. That crease part is done. Let's do the rest. So really like this raspberry pink color. So I think I'm gonna go with this on the outer corner. I'm gonna start from this like a nude, very cool toned light pink color in the inner eye corner. So just going to the middle kinda. Very pigmented color actually. I'm really surprised how pigmented it is and how almost no fallouts I'm having in here. Okay, I'm using the same brush and I'm gonna go with this raspberry pink on the outer corners, kinda in like a C shape. It looks a little bit of a hot mess, and I especially did that to show you guys how to easy clean up after. So if you're a beginner or you have a little bit of a heavy hand, I do personally. That's why I always do this. I'm taking a wet wipe and just cleaning up. You see that sharp line now? Let's do a little bit of the lower lash line, apply mascara, and then we can move on with the face and try this as our contour and bronze, because I'm so intrigued, guys. They don't state that on the packaging or anything or anywhere, but I just think that it would be perfect for the contour. So I'm gonna use the same brush I used before. I'm gonna go with this burnt orange color on my lower lash line. Once again, not gonna go super precise or anything as we don't have a foundation yet. So for the mascara, I'm gonna go with NYX Worth the Hype mascara. If you don't have lash extensions like I do, you could go or just with mascara or go with a falsies. If I wouldn't have this few lash extensions left, I would definitely go in with a falsies. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna jump in, apply the foundation, and then I'm gonna come back to use to finish the eye look with this shimmery color and do some contouring and bronzing with these two colors because I think they would work perfectly for that. I'll see you soon. And I'm back, guys. So I got the foundation on and I set with the setting powder, but I haven't contoured or bronzed yet because I really want to use these two colors as I mentioned before. But first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna finish off the eyes. So I'm gonna highlight the inner eye corner with that shimmery kind of champagne color. This looks so nice. I really like the way it looks. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's go and contour with this. So I got this brand new brush, which I haven't tried yet. I spotted this while I was in Primark recently. So it's a flathead contour brush. I was looking for a similar brush for a while and I couldn't see anywhere, and this cost only £3. It's super soft. I haven't used it yet, but I think this might be a perfect contour brush. So why not to test this out now and see if it works. I'm just gonna dab to this cooler brown color. Okay guys, it might work. Okay, I think it's too much in here. Oh! When in here I went lighter. Let's clean up these axes in here because it's just far too much. I went a little bit too heavy-handed. Was too excited. It's not a problem. We can clean this up, guys. So if you ever go a bit too much, too heavy-handed, as I just did, take a damp makeup sponge and kind of dab it on top. So you're gonna take all the excess powder, or just use the same brush to blend. Up to you. This definitely could work as a contour powder. Alright you guys, so I blended that huge amount of powder that I put for contouring, by accident obviously, not on purpose. I applied a little bit of the blush and the highlighter, and this is a complete look. What do you guys think so far? and this is a complete makeup look. I am personally impressed by the Wet n Wild brand. Shame on me for not trying on their products before. Don't ask why, I don't know the answer. Really impressed by the quality because it's so mega pigmented, especially when I try to contour a bit. Oh my god, you guys, a little bit goes a lot. I know that they don't state that on the packaging, but I think this is a proper multi-purpose palette. As I mentioned, I would use this one for contour, for bronzing, for the highlight, and the rest for the eyeshadow. Would I be using this again? Oh yeah, definitely yes. Thumbs up from me. I will definitely pack this in my bag next time I'm traveling, because I'll need to take less makeup with me. Gonna be definitely using this for contour as well, not only for the eyeshadow. I think the eyeshadow itself turned out pretty nice. It didn't took much effort or anything, as I showed you, and as you've seen, it was a little bit messy at first and we just cleaned it up. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of this eyeshadow as a palette, of this eyeshadow look, of the contour. Would you do that? Would you try and contour with the eyeshadow? Have you done that maybe in the past? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Or if you tried any other Wet n Wild makeup products and I should get my hands on it. And yeah, this is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this quick review tutorial, first impressions video. I just said video like 5 times, sorry about it. So please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see more. Should I do more reviews, tutorials, vlogs? Maybe I should come back to doing some cooking videos. Are you interested in that? And yeah, let me know what you think. So thank you so much for watching, and bye, see you soon. Ciao for now.